Hello, and welcome to our Moodle integration tutorial. Today we will show how PlagiarismCheck integrates with Moodle. Moodle is an open-source LMS that has been first released back in 2002. Ever since, it unites millions of students and teachers all around the globe. If your school or university is using Moodle, we have great news for you. PlagiarismCheck is now available as a Moodle plugin to effectively check submissions for similarity. So let's dive in. To start with, we create an assignment. In the assignment settings, under the plagiarismcheck.org plugin, choose Yes. Once the assignment is created, all files students upload will undergo a similarity check. A system generates a similarity report and provides it in the submission section. To access it, click on General, select an assignment, and view all submissions. Next to the attached file, there will be a similarity percentage. To open a report, simply click on it. In the report, there are three main sections: plagiarism, quotes, and references. PlagiarismCheck detects word-to-word match, word rearrangements, substitutions of words with synonyms, and poor paraphrasing. Plagiarism is colored in magenta. Quotes and references are put in separate sections and are colored in blue and green respectively. If you click on highlighted text, on the right-hand side you will see a corresponding source. There are two ways on how to review the source: source as it is, or analyze source with highlighted parts that match ones in the submitted text. Let's see how it works. By clicking on the link sign, you will access an actual source. By clicking on the forward sign, you will access an analyzed source, saving you time looking for the plagiarized parts. PlagiarismCheck supports institutional private archives and repositories. If you wish to search for similarity within student submissions, that is absolutely possible. It also supports multiple submissions. If you let a student revise a paper, we'll scan it once again, with no false positive results getting in the way. With PlagiarismCheck, you're saving time during assessment and help students develop academic integrity. Let technology help you succeed.